right, hello everyone. This is D-Rock. This is the first episode of D-Rock Trades, and I'm just going to go through my quick three setups for the week. And these are the setups that I actually went over in my previous video when I was explaining the strategy. But I'm just going to do these ones real quick in a nice, easy video here for you guys. So the first one up is LHX, and based on this chart here, we are looking good in terms of support. I like how price has reacted around this level. It has turned it from resistance into support, resistance, support, and here we are again off support. So I like this going into potentially upwards until the middle of June. So kind of a longer swing. And I'm looking at the June 240C or the June 250C currently priced there, roughly for that range. Now, the entry might obviously be a little bit different depending on how we open on Monday or tomorrow, but we'll see how that goes. We have here is going to be a little bit of headwind right here at this 227 area, and then we've got 239. Looks like there might be a little bit of trouble, and then we do have some small daily supply here, right in this range. And we also have some supply right there at that 227 too. So I'm really targeting this 261. However, if we get to the middle of June and neither the stop here at 204.89 has been hit or the target, I'm going to get out anyway. Hood, we'll move on to Hood. I like Hood here. Oh, actually, let's go back to LHX too. I did forget. I did also notice there are earnings. That's right. There's earnings right here in a couple of weeks on the 24th. So this is actually why I like this strategy too. I actually like when this crossover does occur prior to earnings, and earnings will fall within my time range. That does not hold me back. That actually encourages me to get into that. So um, I likely will. I am still buying the June. Just I am staying away from the May just because of the implied volatility there. But we might actually be getting out of here on that Friday, depending on, or Thursday even, depending on how that earnings report goes. We'll move on to Hood on the daily here. It's a much shorter swing. We're looking to exit by Friday the 25th. And I've got to stop here at about 37.34. Target is up here at 58.33. It's a little high. And I do know that there is going to be some headwind right here, this supply zone, coming up right about $47 up to 49. So if we can clear this 49.88, we can call it 50. If we can clear this 50, I really do think it will have a lot more room to get up to these other headwind areas here. So the way Hood works too, the momentum could die so quick. So I am willing to take a good amount of position off right here at this 49.88 area, and leave some runners to go for that full target. And I am currently targeting the April 25th 45.50 bull call spread. You don't have to do a spread. This is just what I'm doing. I like the spread just because I don't want to get shooken out on a day like this. I want to let my contracts work and feel comfortable with it. And this is a really good risk to reward. Risking 140 to make the 360 at max, and that's if Hood closes above 50 on Friday here. Okay. Gold is the next one, and gold here, same bit. We're gonna look. I'm gonna look to exit by Friday, and stop loss is 1942. Again, entry on all of these. Really, the entry is going to really matter based on the open, which might move my targets slightly. It just kind of depends on how we open. I mean, if we gap up major, I might actually wait to enter until we're closer to the entry, but we'll see how it goes. So gold here, targeting 2378, and I'm looking at the May 2nd 20C or the 21C. I kind of like the 20C just because it's more in the money, and this one might it might bounce around a lot more. So, but that's what I'm targeting there. A couple of quick short swings, and yeah, so those are my three. Just to go back over again, we've got LHX, Hood, and Gold. Those are the top three that I'm looking at this week. I might have some more later throughout the week, depending on what picks up on the scanner. And if you guys like this, please subscribe. And if there's anything else you guys are looking for, drop a comment, and I'll get back to you. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you until next time.